Today is not just about turning the switch. It is a momentous occasion that marks a bright new chapter for our community, and the state-of-the-art floodlights are a symbol of our commitment to train and compete at NER, bringing our beloved sports under the night skies. Requested all our
Eso tiene atrás. Claro. Baba, tu sana.
Anand.
Second नहीं आ रहा है. Sojin, ya aja busi dole. Udah pada naon.
Hello.
हाँ साहब.
Hello.
कितना ले भाई? कितना ले भाई? अबे आज आधा कर. छोड़ दो नहीं. अच्छा मका दी फोन. मेरा फोन दी.
काम असतो ती काय म्हणतो
ए तू छोड़ ना रे बाबा. और विजिट है केला कोई तेरा तेरा किधर से नहीं.
रामा आता रामा
बरोबर हो का किती झालं ते कॅप्चर गेलो बर 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 ओके सर एक फोटो काढा द्या तरी आता न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट मिळाला पासून जाता न्यू फ्लाईट लाईट्स घातलेले आसा GCA सांगचे मातशें तेजेवर 2 मिनिट
ही जी फ्लाईट लाईट घाल्या इज ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट meant for international matches and for the very good telecast. In fact, the light that is required is around 2,500 lux, and this floodlight what we have put is of 2,500 lux, and they are meant for to telecast matches like of IPL standard.
हां
So Goa will have a wonderful facility right now. One is where is Borborin, the next one will come up at Sange. Already the work has begun and it will be finished within few days. And I think Goan players will be able to practice even in the evening whenever they want.
फ्रॉम द टाइम तुमच्या जे न्यू कमिटीने घेतल्या लॉट ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट हॅज टेकन प्लेस सो हाऊ दिस इज अनदर वन डेव्हलपमेंट दॅट युअर न्यू कमिटी हॅज टेकन
We had infrastructure in fact, but to improvise that infrastructure, the present managing committee has taken a lot of pains and a lot of things are happening. They are opening up a very art of the state physiotherapy center and also a gym which will provide a lot of things for our young players.
Could you tell us what was the total cost of installing this floodlights and how was the project funded?
This is totally from the BCA fund and the total cost of these products are around 4 crores.
So how does this development align with your long-term vision of the Goa Cricket Association? Could you tell us something about that?
Obviously, when you have this type of floodlights, our players are prepared to play an international match, and I think we are preparing them for the daylight that one day is and all now happening well as the other tournaments. So one-day tournament, T20 tournaments are happening in daylight now. So this will help them a lot.
विनोद बाब, यू आर ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ दिस. सो ह्या डेव्हलपमेंटाचे कशें पळयता?
आतांची जी न्यू कमिटी आहा तेंच्यांनी बरोबर बरे स्टेप्स घेतलेले आहा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे हॅव डेवलप अबाउट 20 सेंटर्स ऑफ क्रिकेट जे स्पेशली आमी भुरग्यां खातीर नुकतेच आनी एक स्टेप घेतला ते 12 वर्सां सकयल्या भुरग्यांचे आतां न्यू आमी बडींग हे आहात तेंचे आमी हंट करतात, टॅलंट हंट करतात आनी तांकां काडटात आनी तेंचे हे करून फुडें डेवलपमेंट तुमकां खबर आसतली. आदी हांव आनी चेतन आसतना आमी हांगा रेजिडेन्शियल एकाडमी स्टार्ट केल्ली वीच वॉज अ गूड स्टेप दॅट टायम. म्हणून ती मागीर थोड्या 2 वर्सांनी रेजिडेन्शियल एकाडमी जाली आनी मागीर 2 वर्सांनी नवीन कोण आयलो तेणे बंद करून उडयली वीच वॉज व्हेरी बॅड. जाल्यार आतां मेरेन आमकां इतके बरे प्लेयर गावपाचे, कित्याक जे बडींग प्लेयर आहा पळय तेंच्या कडल्यानूच प्लेयर मेळपाक जाय आमकां. कित्याक एकदां वयर पावलो काय ना मागीर ते आनी आमकां शॉर्टेज जाता प्रत्येक फावटी न्यू प्लेयर मेळपाची. तुमी आतां पळयलां आसतलें आमचे गोंयचे प्लेयर पळयत जाल्यार आनी बाकीच्यो टिमी पळयत जाल्यार खूब फरक आहा. कित्याक आमच्या गोंयांत तितली स्ट्रेंथ बेंच स्ट्रेंथूच ना. हें जर आमी फुडें करिना अशें भुरग्यांक वयर काडिना जाल्यार आमची क्रिकेट टिमूच त्याच स्टँडर्डाक उरतली. त्या खातीर आमी आतां न्यू स्टेप घेता. आमची कमिटी, आमचो प्रेजिडेंट आनी सेक्रेटरी खरेंच बरें काम करतात. तेंच्यांनी न्यू सगळे एक हाडिता, न्यू जीम येता आमचे ते पळोवन अशें जीम तुमकां गोंयांत दिसचें ना. आनी त्या शिवाय आमचे आनी 2-3 आनी प्रोजेक्ट येवपाचे आहात आतां जे आमी आतां फुडले जे ऑफ सिजन आहा तेतून आतां लागू जातले ते.
Could you tell us something about this projects further?
Yeah, first thing we have opened the 20 centers where we are going to have matches among them and all of them are budding cricketers like under 14, under 16 boys are there. If they get a match practice, then only they will come up. You know, in Goa, I am very sorry to say, but the boys are lazy. They don't know anything in the rainy season. Yes, that time if you don't play during the rainy season, continuous matches, then they won't develop like other states. That's why we are going to take these budding players, these young players, and we are going to take them to different states. They have to play a lot of matches. One player has to play at least 100 or 150 matches in the off season, which we don't do. That's why we are trying this type of new projects, which our president, secretary is taking very good initiative.
सर, वन मोर थिंग इज दॅट सगळ्यांच्या मनान आनी सगळ्यांक काळजी आसा म्हणटा पळय ते एकूच इंटरनॅशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम. सो आयज तुमी दोगूय जाण आसा ते DCAचे महारथी म्हटल्या
I
जाता.
am 100% sure in the tenure of our new president, secretary, this will come up 100%. Take it from me.
फाउंडेशन बॅग घालून जाता
100%.
एक दिसवां
एक तुमकां 2-3 म्हयन्या भितर पिक्चर क्लियर जातले. थोडे आमकां आडकाठी आहा त्यो आमी मोडून उडयतले. कोण मदीं येता तेंचे आमी कोणाक पळोवचें ना त्या टायमार आमच्या मदीं. कित्याक हे स्टेडियम आमकां न्हू लोकांक जाय. कित्याक लोक इतलीं वर्सां हांगा इंटरनॅशनल मॅच पळोवंक पावूंक ना लास्ट 14 years.
So any specific site for this stadium?
That only we are after that.
चेतन बाब,
Which
not
will
yet-
come
not
within
yet
2-3
decided.
months. Yeah. No, it is decided, but I am not disclosing it right now.
Okay, fine.
Because we are going for the one or two permissions are there which we will get. Almost all the permissions we have. But we will see within 1 or 2 months you will come to know. IPL is will be there
yeah.
from 28. So most of the players are not available.
Not available.
See, you must be knowing we had a corporate league, very good corporate league. VZ we have done already of university. But you must be knowing corporate league. When we have done it when I was secretary, he was president. And it was such a wonderful tournament which wanted to do again. Because in that tournament, almost players who were recently playing for India played at least about 15-16 players played that time. And it was a wonderful tournament. We want to do that type of tournament also.
ओके.
Which we will be doing afterwards.
वन मोर थिंग इज जेन्ना तुमी सांगा ते इंटरनॅशनल जातलो बेगीन.
And one more project coming up is that we have decided to have pink centers for the ladies. And there will be about 5 centers, 2 3 we have identified so far, but as soon as we get those equal number of girls, we will identify those other 2 centers also, and we will start it this season itself.
Okay, you
म्हाज्या हिसपान GCAचे म्हणत जाल्यार डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणत जाल्यार विपूल नासतना म्हणूंक जायना बिकॉज ह्यो इनिशिएटीव हॅव ऑल्सो बीन दे सो आयज न्यू फ्लड लायट्स घातले हाऊ डू यू सी दॅट
I
इनिशिएटीव
think it's a very good initiative. Lights जो आधी असले आमच्यो तो चेंज करप इट वॉज लॉंग पेंडिंग वर्क जो गेल्या कमिटीने इनिशिएटीव घेतलो काही कारणां खातीर तुमी जाणा थोडे गजाली उरता पण ह्या कमिटीन आता एका विचाराची कमिटी येयला सगळे एका पॅनलांतले येयला सो तेंच्यांनी खूब प्रोजेक्ट हो एकूच प्रोजेक्ट न्हू लायट्स तुमी पळयता लायट्स आसा बाकी सगळें केलां ECAन बऱ्याच बेगीन एक बऱ्या फॅसिलिटीचो जिम जावपाचो आहा विच विल बी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट युनीक जिम्स इन गोवा अदर दॅन दॅट वी वील हॅव अ रिहॅब सेंटर जे तेंच्यांनी प्रोजेक्ट केला जस्ट हांव तुमकां कन्वे करूंक शकता की रिहॅब सेंटर वील बी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन गोवा अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट हांव तेंच्या कडल्यान फॉलोअप जेन्ना घेता त्या टायमार अशें दिसता की 20-25 सेंटरां ऑलमोस्ट ते प्लॅन करता तितली 20 एक्झिक्यूट जालेली आहा ते सोडून फिमेल प्लेयरां खातीर पिंक सेंटर्स म्हणून ते लॉन्च करता वीच इज गोइंग टू बी लॉन्च नेक्स्ट वीक आय थिंक इट्स अ व्हेरी गुड इनिशिएटीव आणि हितूंतल्यान एकूच कळटा सगळ्यांक की जेन्ना कमिटी एका पॅनलाची येता एका विचाराची येता त्या टायमार खंयसरूच स्पीड ब्रेकर म्हणटा तो लागना कामाक ते आयज सगळ्यांनी प्रूव्ह करून दिला अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ महेश सर हे तेणी जे फुडें व्हेला काम पळय तांकां खरेंच हांव कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता आणि ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ क्रिकेटर्स क्रिकेट एन्थुजियास्ट ऑल अक्रॉस गोवा तांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन एज अ प्रेसिडेंट आयज एक आनी एक डेव्हलपमेंट इनिशिएटीव तुमी स्टार्ट केलेलो आसा हाऊ डू यू सी दीस इन युअर टेन्युअर
First and foremost, I should thank my brother, President, and my good friend Vinod Fadke. हांच्या मार्गदर्शना खातीर हे आमकां फ्लड लायट्स मेळ्ळे. It is best infrastructure in Goa here. It is a good opportunity for the youngsters who can play and develop the game. And if they play here, they will be confident to play IPL matches also.
इनिशिएटीव जो आयज न्यू फ्लड लायट्स घातलेले आसा GCAचेर तुमी GCAन खूब टिका बाराबर आसा कितली वर्सां जाली सो कशें पळयता हो इनिशिएटीव
हेजेर मॅच सुद्दां खेळयली न्ही जाल्यार कांय प्रॉब्लम ना चारी लायट 500 kV ती पावरफूल इंटरनॅशनल स्टेडियमाचेर असलीच लायटी आसता म्हाका दिसता की आमचो नवो स्टेडियम येतलो तांकां असलेच लायटी हें करपा पडटलें
सो हे न्यू कमिटी जे येयला तेजे इनिशिएटीव कशें पळयता तूं
बेस्ट सारकें कांय प्रॉब्लम ना पळय आमचो महेश देसाय आसा मागीर आमचो तुळशीदास शेट्टी आहा सगळें काम बरें करता आनी नवो ग्रावंड जातलो म्हाका दिसता की कांय प्रॉब्लम आसलो ना बरें आहा पळय ग्रावंड
if that GCA has taken about this, putting up these floodlights, how do you see this?
No, I think GCA is doing a fantastic job. After all, we as clubs, what do we look forward to? We look forward to good facilities. We look forward to good grounds and good facilities. So obviously now with the new floodlights which have come, I think we are very looking forward. Actually, I'm looking forward to playing on this ground very soon and also putting a team. And I think it's fantastic. And kudos to Babu Fadke, Chetan Desai, and of course Mahesh Desai, and all the committee members. I think the new committee is doing a fantastic job.
And
So
such
as a club, we are very happy.
So you feel such type of initiatives are required because future generation looks upon all these things, and these are the modern generation things.
Yeah, of course. I mean, ultimately, what does the player look forward to? The player looks forward to playing on world-class facilities, and floodlights make a lot of difference. I mean, it changes the entire outlook of any ground. So I think I really appreciate GCA for doing a fantastic job, and I'm sure that they'll keep up the good job going. And of course, we are looking forward to an international ground very soon. But as Babu has promised that it'll be a reality very soon in Goa.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Secretary's level. Firstly, the President's level in red and bit of orange.
All the best. Where is all the man?
Yeah.
तुम्ही लाईन रावपाक येना मदीं मदीं लाईन सोडून थंय रावता
बाबा
Requesting all our dignitaries to please be in the middle.
दोनों टीम के लिए और इसके लिए मैं आपको मेरा गाया गाना आपको डेडिकेट करता हूँ। जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है, जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है, जीत जाएंगे जीत जाएंगे तू अगर संग है, जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है, जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है। All the ways
It's the call and it is tails. So what have you decided? Any specific reason betting for this?
Cricket looks very good. After some time, it might be for us, it is advantage when we play for good shape. All the best for all the new team.
How much more are you looking to be on this particular surface? So can you tell me, sir, one thing, last thing about
And my very close friend, Vinod Palpulki, again explain. They are the ones who have guided us. With their guidance, we have come to this world that stadium.
all the best, Captain. Have a good one. So winning because it doesn't matter much when you have such a strong bowling line ahead of you.
We have won the toss, we have bowled first only. We have decided that first. And we are very much confident that we will win.
How much more are you trying to try to
I think it will be less than 120.
you're giving him out of this?
The blessing of our seniors, Chetan sir, Sir, Ambassador is there. They have done a wonderful job. Only thing, we are definitely proud of it because we have really elected and all the blessings goes to all of them. And I think this was helpful.
Come on, 3 cheers to GCA.
Yes.
Thank you. Ball coming into the right hander. Good delivery. Nicely driven. And will get first runs. And lightning fast outfield. Still the ball wins the race. Excellent timing on that one. First boundary of the innings. That one came back in sharply. And good running between the wickets by these two openers. Gets a single. Score moves on to 5. Very well played. Well, the Good to the bats. Might have been just sliding down leg. And Santosh Ravindra. Some delivery again, came back in. Moving at a decent pace. Here is Mandolkar. The 30-yard ring. And she played, looking for a big single. And that's very well done. Gets the single. Clipper. And that will be for fast outfield. Drifting down leg. And easy as you like, just clipping it. Good delivery again. Some work to do for both the men. They do extremely well. And by the time a couple of runs have been added. Again, looking for a big run. And we'll get it eventually. Very fast, these two. Sri Mahesh Desai.